Well, we have a cold front pushing through the state today, and it has been bringing severe weather up ahead of it. And we've had a couple of tornado warnings pop up this afternoon to the north of us. As for us here in Southwest Florida, all has been quiet so far, but we do have a very low end chance of seeing some severe weather as we head into tonight and into those overnight hours. You will notice a little sliver under that level 1 criteria, meaning that we could see some isolated severe weather through portions of Charlotte, Sarasota, and DeSoto counties again once we head into tonight, where we could have some gusty winds prompted by these storms, hail, and the possibility of a brief tornado. So this is something we will be keeping a close eye on for the rest of this evening and overnight. As we check in with Wink Live Doppler 3X, 3 times more accurate radar, you will notice all the storms moving through the Tampa, Clearwater area right now, even out into Melbourne. They're seeing some showers and storms that have been pretty strong now pushing offshore. But for us here in Southwest Florida, just seeing a few sprinkles so far, but we will see those rain chances increase the later on we go. Temperatures right now sitting in the 80s for most of us. We're at 85 in Lehigh Acres, 86 in Ave Maria, and 85 in Palmdale. Dew points sitting in the low to mid 70s, so it is pretty sticky out there. It's been a warm and muggy day because we have this southerly flow in place, and that's just pulling all that in off of the Gulf and off of the Atlantic. And take a look at these winds, sustained winds at 22 miles per hour for Palmdale, 22 in Moorhaven, and 20 in Clewiston. We'll continue to have breezy conditions in place for the rest of today and into those early morning hours of tomorrow. Gusty as well, as we have some gusts kicking up to about 28 miles per hour in Babcock Ranch, 27 in Lehigh Acres. So as we look ahead to late tonight, here's a look around the 10 o'clock hour. You will begin to see that line moving through. Now, a couple of models have this line really falling apart, but a couple of other models have this line holding together pretty well, and that's why we do have that low end chance of seeing severe weather with the passage of this front. But it's looking like around midnight to 1 in the morning, that's when we will be seeing a line of showers and storms moving through Southwest Florida. That line will just continue to traverse to the southeast as we head into the early morning hours. Here's a look around 3, 4 o'clock. The strongest of storms looking to hug Lake O at this point. And then as we head into the 4, 5 o'clock hour, showers and storms going to be impacting far interior sections of Collier County. And then we will see those showers and storms push out by 6 in the morning. And then those skies will be clearing up as we head into the late morning. So if you have any plans for your St. Patrick's Day, it is going to be gorgeous out there after those showers and storms pass in those early morning hours. And we'll have a really beautiful setup for our Monday with comfortable conditions, drier air, and cooler temperatures. Now, with the passage of this front, we're not expecting it to be a rainmaker. We'll see about a couple hundredths of an inch upwards to about a tenth of an inch of accumulation. And we could have some pockets close to that quarter of an inch mark, but most of us not going to be seeing too much in the way of rain. Temperatures for tomorrow morning going to be sitting in the 60s, breezy conditions. Again, a few early showers and the possibility of a rumble of thunder or two. And then as we head into the afternoon, mostly sunny skies, temperatures only climbing into the low to mid 70s when we should be closer to the low 80s for this time of the year. And something to keep in mind, because of the breezy conditions we'll have in place for tomorrow, as well as the dry air, we do have a fire weather watch in place for Collier, Glades, and Hendry counties until 7 o'clock in the evening. So just be extra vigilant, extra careful if you're going to be driving hot machinery. Avoid doing so over grass, dry grass. If you're a smoker, avoid throwing the cigarette butts into the dry grass, because that's something that could easily spark a fire. And with these breezy conditions that we have in place, fires can spread very easily. And something else that's not helping is we have drought lingering across the area, so we have plenty of dry fuel, which could make those fire conditions possible. And tomorrow, going to be a gorgeous day to get out to any of the ball games, as we're looking at plenty of sunshine. Again, temperature is going to be on the cooler side, and we'll have breezy conditions in place. So it's going to be a very beautiful St. Patrick's Day after the morning hours. And then as we head into our Tuesday, beautiful conditions as well, but temperatures will be closer to seasonal. We will have another front pushing through on Thursday. That'll bring some cloud cover our way, but we're looking to stay dry. It'll usher in slightly cooler air for our Friday, and we're looking to remain relatively dry until we head into next week.